In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The ambassadors of Afghanistan and Iran meet in Russia. A 20-bed civilian hospital integrated by Urooj Field Hospital of the 250 Azam Army Corps. And 49 injured after a 580 type passenger bus overturned in Zabul. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Tuesday, the 20th of Safar Muzaffar 1448, the 13th of 1405, and the 1st of August 2026. The news details. Maulvi Ghulam Hassan Assam, the ambassador of Afghanistan in Russia, met with Qasem Jalali, the ambassador of the Islamic Republic of Iran, to discuss bilateral relations and latest regional incidents. According to the Embassy of Afghanistan in Moscow, the two diplomats exchanged views on expanding cooperation in political, economic, commercial, health, and cultural sectors. At the conclusion of the meeting, both sides underscored the importance of strengthening consular cooperation, facilitating travel for citizens, and maintaining close coordination and communication between the embassies of the two countries. A 20-bed civilian hospital established by Urooj Field Hospital under the 215 Azam Army Corps has been officially inaugurated and put into operation. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony, officials stated that the hospital will provide emergency medical services, particularly for victims of the traffic accident along Kandahar-Herat Highway, covering the area from Dilaram district in Nemruz to Garish district in Helmand province. The facility is equipped with electrocardiography, ECG, ultrasound, obstetrics and gynecology, dental services, a laboratory, and a pharmacy. The news continuation. The Ministry of Defense has completed and handed over 36 residential houses to families affected by the earthquake in Nurgul district of Kunar province. According to the ministry, the homes were constructed in Mazar Dari area at the cost of 33.6 million Afghanis over a period of 6 months and have now been officially commenced for use. And ultimately, 49 people were injured after a 580 type passenger bus overturned in Qalat, the capital of Zabul province. Meanwhile, the director of public health in Zabul confirmed that all injured passengers were transferred to hospital, adding that the conditions of the 3 of the victims remains critical. The accident occurred late last night in Bakurzud, the area on the outskirts of Qalat, the provincial capital of Zabul. The news conclusion, by the same time, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.